Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below will be links to all the blog posts or videos if you want to know more information about each card. This week is a very long Saturday Showcase because I took last week off. I was just in a kind of a creative slump, so I took the weekend to just do what I wanted to do. Because of that, I have quite a few cards to share today. I'll try to make it quick. And again, in the description box is links if you want to see or read about anything specific about a card, because at this point, I don't even know if I remember everything about them. All right, so let's get busy here. First up, huge birthday wishes. This fun party animals stamp set from Craft and Kimmy. This was for a Craft and Kimmy Saturday challenge, which was celebrations. And there's the inside. Next up was the Winnie the Pooh social media hop. And so I have this one. This is a stamp from Unity. Difficult days are so much easier when you have someone there for you. There's the inside. And then I had this one, also a stamp from Unity. And the paper's from Whimsy Stamps. And sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest difference. Then I had a post for Paper Nest Dolls. Rise and Shine, it's coffee time. The paper and the sentiment are from Not Too Shabby's Box of the Month for July 2022. There's the inside. I really like how that one came out. I did put some glossy accents on her glasses. I don't know if you can see that. Then it was time for Mermaid Monday, and I made this slimline card using a stamp set from Whimsy Stamps. The die is also from the Whimsy Stamps. You can't really see it very well. It's a really light purple. I embossed it and then I sprayed it with a clear shimmer spray. It is just really, really pretty in real life. And there's the inside of that. But she has lots of friends with her and just a fun card. Then I had my Tailored Expressions collab with my friend Christy, where I did a sheetload of cards and then a few extras. And there's how they turned out. And it was fun to use up that Tailored Expressions key ingredient kit. There is a video and a blog post about that. And I have lots of Christmas cards ready to go. Then I really am trying to work on different skin tones in my coloring. So this was one of my first tries at doing a darker skin tone. Not too bad, still have a little bit to learn. The image is from Sweet November Stamps and it's called Besties. It says, "You're the best, thank you for being my friend." And there's the inside. Then it was time for another Saturday challenge at Craft and Kimmy, and this one was one where I was the host, and it was to just color up a stamp. So I used this Down on the Farm stamp set, and that horse and that little boy, Howdy Neighbor. And there's the inside. And then instead of a mermaid for Monday, I was feeling kind of fairy-ish, so I went with this fairy from Sweet November Stamps from the Spring Fairies Clear Stamp set with her ladybug friend. And there is some shimmer on her wings. Some little gems just for some interest. May your day be filled with magic. All right, let's see. Next, I worked on some cards for Kendra's Card Challenge 7. And the first one was Sketch 1, and it's Go Ape, It's Your Day, with the stamp sets from Papery Ink, and it's called Go Ape. I thought it was so cute with those little apes there and their little cupcake. Then I had my Not Too Shabby post of ways to use the mini pizza boxes. So I made these little 3x3 mini cards and matching envelopes. which does not want to come up. There we go. And then I made some ATC cards with some of the paper and the ephemera, because I am kind of hooked on ATCs lately, and I just think that they're just so fun, and it was so easy to put it together. Then more Kendra's card challenge. I think this was sketch 3, because I've already shown sketch 2. This was sketch 3. I dug out the stamp set that actually goes with the paper from Stamping Up with much love and thanks. And then I have this one using the Stamp and Die of the month from Not Too Shabby, Berry Christmas. I created this for the Build Your Holiday Stash Card Makers Linky Party. I use this Calls for Confetti. I love these bears. I can't wait to create more with them. And there's the inside. And then another one for Kendra's Card Challenge 7, another papery ink stamp set. Dino Friends, I'm dead serious, you're terrific. Those dinos just crack me up. And then I finished off the week with one more card for Kendra's Card Challenge 7. This is the Craft and Chemie stamp sets, Shake Your Pom Poms. Again, I'm working on those different skin tones. I don't know if I said it, this is for sketch 5 of Kendra's Card Challenge 7. And so there are all my cards and creations from the last 2 weeks. Quite a few. Hopefully I don't try to do that again where I skip a week, because goodness gracious, it kind of piles up. But anyways, I hope that you liked seeing what I created the past 2 weeks. And I hope that you have been having crafty days. And I will be back soon with another video to share. Until then, stay crafty, keep smiling, and have an amazing day.